Ooh!
What kind of fish is that?
It's a snapper.
It's a little snapper.
Keep him, release him. I'll maybe you want him for bait.
Let him grow up.
Oh! She's a fighter.
We got one that'll actually pull some drag.
Mike, I thought you weren't going to get a hit all day.
Back in the boat.
He'll break them off.
Reverse psychology on. I
Yeah.
don't know if you look at the line, it's about a 30-pound test.
Holy cow.
Oh no!
Dang it.
What are
Got
the
hung up in the anchor.
odds?
Because he was out there, either that or a coral. They'll
Oh
take you down there.
man, he broke your, did he break your
The
line?
whole line.
You know, give it to me. Right above.
Got a big one, huh? There's a what is that?
Yellow snapper, yellowfin, yeah.
Stay there, because the coral's like right
He just squeezed right through. Hey, Justin, you want to keep them for hours? That's a lady. Is it? We keep it or just stay there? We keep it? God damn, he's a slacky little
Oh my god.
guy. He just squirmed and went. Where's the filming? Like a striper. He goes so well. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, it's a ray. It's a ray. Well, Dave, I've never seen anybody catch a ray yet on a pole. Stingray.
What an athlete. Oh, wow. In his mouth.
That was a circle around the whole boat.
That's a good one.
Hey.
Got a picture of this one? You got a picture of the little one?
No, we're not going to take a picture of big one. He got salad with that one too. Yeah.